Welcome back to my channel. Y'all know the drill. What's going on? What's poppin'? Alright, so first we're gonna talk about the fit, because I know y'all probably wondering what's going on. So this top is from Fashion Nova. And when I say the top, the flannel is from Fashion Nova. And it said baby girl on the back. And then I got these bottoms. Pretty sure y'all seen these jeans before, but these are from Fashion Nova as well. Y'all already know what's poppin', what's going on. And my socks, don't ask where they from because okay, if you want to know where my socks are from, they're from Walmart, so go ahead and get you some. Who don't like fuzzy socks? I get them wherever I can find them, so let's do that. Today I wanted to talk about a special subject for my fit ladies on how to combine beauty and strength in real life, like what you can actually do to, you know, entwine both of them. Okay, this is for the fit ladies who feel like they can't, you know, dress nicely, they don't know how to dress accordingly, if that makes sense. I'm here to help you, okay? Y'all know I'm always here to help you, so let me help you. Okay, let me do that. Okay, all right. So I basically broke this down into 5 different things, or 5 different topics, and if you guys want a part 2 to this, let me know down in the comments down below. Y'all can go ahead and do that, and also do not forget to subscribe. Go ahead and do that real quick.
Go ahead and just do it. You don't gotta explain, you don't gotta tell me nothing. Just go ahead and do it real quick, okay?
And you did it. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you. Let's dap it up as always. All right, cool. I just can't wait. Let's get right into this video real quick. Okay, now that we're here, let's get to this. This is for my gym girls, the girls that go to the gym. Now, this is the first thing I was thinking of, how I'm going to be able to finagle. How am I going to be able to do this? I know you guys are probably wondering too. I know you're used to my crusty man hands showing in the camera, but they're not crusty and manly today. That's what we're going to be talking about. Number 1 is nails. Okay, so when it comes to nails, I know you guys are wondering, like, okay, if I go to the gym, I cannot get my nails done. That is an absolute lie. It's a lie. If you're active, you can definitely get your nails done. If you know, I know some people like me, I like my nails super long, but you know, when I pick up, you know, dumbbells at the gym, you know, I try to exercise on certain machines, my nails are a little too long for the gym. So let's compromise. You want your nails done, but you also need to be active in the gym. What you can actually do is get short nails or medium nails, you know? And then when you want them done long, you know you're not gonna be so active, you can go get those long,
some of those coffins, you know, whatever you want, the boxes. You can do what you gotta do, but
on the daily, you know, some nice little short nails or medium nails will work perfectly fine for the gym. You can get your nails done, you can. What I like to do personally, you know, people can judge me, you can say what you want to say, but at the end of the day, I still look cute, so it is what it is, like what's going on. What I do is invest in press-on nails because I'm super active, I'm super hands-on, I'm super, you know, I'm doing things constantly with my hands that, you know, I like to be able to pop them off whenever I need to get down and dirty. But, you know, for like, you know, okay days where I'm not doing too much, I like to have like nails on and stuff like that. And plus the fact that my nails are, you know, in my own home, I do them by myself and they're in my space, I'm able to, you know, do them whenever I feel like. I don't gotta book an appointment at the nail salon. I don't gotta, you know, try to hurry up, pay $30 for, you know, the nail salons usually been doing my nails just like this. So if they can do this, I'm sure I can do this. That's the way I kind of see it. So whatever the nail salon does, I'm sure you can do. So it's all about not being lazy and just doing it by yourself. But if you don't want to do it by yourself, go to the nail salon, ask them for short or medium-sized nails so you're able to function at the gym, okay? Strength and beauty. You can be beautiful and you can still be strong. So let's oh, you can't see my biceps. I'm not gonna take off the shirt today, but I promise they're here. The second topic I want to talk about is a busted up face. Okay, let me tell you something about that. Some people feel like you cannot be strong and be beautiful at the same time. I don't know who told you that, okay? First of all, I just want to put that out there. But, you know, I thought that, you know, I had to let you know you can be strong and beautiful at the same time. If you're busted up, if you're a little crusty, there's something called makeup. You know, look into it. You know, search it up on Google, you know. You know, you could ask a friend. They could probably explain a little bit more what that is. But I'm just going to say, it's, you know, you can just get you a couple of products. You know, get your eyebrows looking okay, your face a little beat, and I think there's some alternatives. You can beat your face. You can beat your face, you know. I don't know if you would beat your face to the gym or anywhere that you're being active, but you know, for active girls or, you know, girls who are trying to be strong and beautiful at the same time, you can definitely look beautiful and strong at the same time too. Invest in some makeup products, or you know, you can wear your natural beauty, but you can be a girl at the same time too.
Just gonna let you know right now, let's put that down on the table, let's get it down and pop it, let's do this.
You can be strong and pretty at the same time too. Just, you know, beat your face, get your nails done. They're done. So that was number 2. Let's get to number 3. The third topic I want to talk about is having muscles and being able to show it off without looking too manly. Too manly, okay? Now, I don't know why people say that, too manly. Like, why, if a female is fit, she looks like a man? I don't know. But if you feel that way, if you feel like, you know, people are saying that or people giving you that vibe, you can make your muscles look very feminine, very, you know, beautiful. It just depends on what you wear. If you wear a muscle tee, right? A muscle tee. Not judging anybody who does this, but just a couple of tips, right? If you're wearing a muscle tee and you're trying to look feminine, right? Or, you know, beautiful or whatever, that might be a little hard, okay? Because, you know, your biceps and everything is gonna be like, and then you got your man, you know, not trying to say men, but you know, you got the stance and like, okay. But, you know, a little shirt like this, you know, show off a little gains or whatever. I'm gonna go get some tops for you guys real quick. Hold on. So I just want to show you guys a couple examples of the tops that I'm talking about, you know, like how you can be a little cute, but you can be, you know, show off your gains as well. This is for the gym. This is just a little crop top, but you know, Gymshark is my best friend, as you guys may know, and if you don't know, you know now. You know, shirts like this, and, you know, you show your little, you know, your abs. The sleeves are short enough to show your biceps and everything. Your shoulders will pop a little bit. They will pop, and it's cute, and it's got the little ribbon, like, to, you know, make your body look cute or whatever. You know, cute clothes. You can invest in cute clothes and look real beautiful, but strong at the same time too. So if you're wondering, you know, that is very possible. You see me wear this, and if you did not look at my profile picture, this is what this top, yeah, me wearing this top, okay? I don't even know what they would call this. I forgot what this is called. I wish I had a name on it. But when it has the band and it also has the cuffs on the arms, you know, stuff like that, I think that's cute, because I get to show off my gains, show off my biceps, show off my shoulders, my biceps, and then show off a little bit of abs, you know, my chest a little bit, but also, you know, looking real feminine, you know what I'm saying, like real cute, real beautiful, showing off your gains. I feel like this is a cute top, and this is a cute way to do it. Even if you're just trying to be casual, you know what I'm saying, you don't want to do too much, and you still want to show off your gains, you know. Crop tops, little casual crop tops. Oh shoot, you didn't see that. I know y'all see me wear this before, but you know, just cute clothes in general. You can be cute and strong at the same time too. I'm telling you right now. Show off your little bit of abs and you're all covered up top, you know, and there's, you know, other tops that go, you can flip it, switch it, and reverse it. You can do whatever you gotta do, but there's way to dress cute and be strong at the same time too. Also talk about pants wise. My pants, they got the ripped thighs. I feel like that'd be really cute for people who have nice quads. High-key trying to get some nice quads, but yeah, like have some jeans with some rips. Show your shape and also keep it cute, you know what I'm saying? Like keep it real cute. Y'all definitely can figure it out. There are definitely a bunch of options for clothes wise that you can finagle to make yourself look cute, but also show off your gains, looking strong, get that strength in, you know, do what you got to do. Those are just a couple of things that you guys can do. So let's get to the fourth one. I feel like some people think they can't be strong, they can't go to the gym, they can't do too much with their hair because they like fitness. That's not true. That's not true, okay? I have a video if you are chocolate or if you just like box braids in general, you know. I have a video on that for different hairstyles that you can do with box braids or, you know, just regular braids in general. But you could also, if you like lace fronts, I'm wearing a lace front right now. What I like to do is put my hair into a bun and maybe get a cute headband, put it on, and then start working out at the gym. That's what I like to do. Like, you know, you can do cornrows or you can do just have your hair out. Sometimes I'll have my hair just straight down, put a headband on, and get my exercise on, you know. So it's really up to you how you want to look. There's so much you can do with your hair. You can do cute buns, low buns, side ponytails, high ponytails, wrap it up in a high bun. You can do braids. There's so much you can do. Look it up. I'm sure there's other YouTubers that explain exactly what type of hairstyles they got going on or what they can do with their hair. You can do that and still look cute for fitness, being strong and beautiful at the same time too. There's so much you can do for your hairstyle, so you don't gotta go to the gym or go anywhere that you're being active at and gotta keep wearing the same hairstyle. You can switch it up. Switch it up, please and thank you. And if you want a video on that, you could definitely let me know down in the comments down below. Don't forget to subscribe. Yeah, let me know down in the comments down below and I'll get another video on that, on different hairstyles you can rock to the gym. Cause you know we're trying to rock to the gym. We're trying to rock to the gym. Now on to the fifth topic. I almost dropped my phone. My last thing that I want to talk about, the fifth thing I want to talk about is do what you want, okay? If someone's telling you cannot be strong and beautiful at the same time too, cut them off. Do not listen to them because you can finagle it, you can do it, you got it. There's nothing wrong with being strong and beautiful at the same time too, putting your own little twist to it. If you feel more comfortable wearing baggy clothes, go ahead and wear those baggy clothes. If you feel more comfortable wearing tight clothes, go ahead and wear those tight clothes. I think the cool thing is you can choose your style. You can have your own style. So I can, you know, I like to wear stuff that shows my gains, but not too much, but not too little, but not too much. You know what I'm saying? I like to get that little in between. Also have my own little vibe to it. That's just me. You can find your vibe and make a little twist to it. Do what you got to do with it, because, you know, who am I to say you look too strong, you can't wear a bandeau like that. No. You worked out for a reason and you got those gains for a reason. You better show it off. You need to show it off, okay? Don't be going to the gym working, busting your behind, and then next thing you know, people are mad at you because you look good. That's the way I see it. So go ahead, keep looking good, keep doing what you gotta do, wear what you wanna wear, do what you gotta do. Nobody's judging you, and if they're judging you, go ahead and cut them off. Send them to the dough. But my door is this way, so we're gonna talk about that dough. Send them that way, okay? Thank you for watching this video. If you like videos like this, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video.